Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code in a Sandboxed folder using the alternative Docker desktop isolation method. This is the perfect fix if you want to place the assistant tool inside an entirely separate virtual machine, so it can run package installations or delete workspace testing files without touching your actual computer hard drive. Step 1. Open your terminal window and point toward your target directory. The first step is to open your computer's main command tool and use the Change Directory step to navigate straight into your active project workspace folder. Launch your standard terminal window application or your system command line prompt on your screen. Type out the line cd/myproject using your keyboard keys and hit Enter to land on your folder row. Look closely at the left-hand text tag on your screen canvas rows to confirm your command prompt is actively reading the exact pathway location of your code files. Because the Docker system needs to know which exact workspace area to copy over, by matching your terminal folder path first, the Sandbox tool will automatically mount only this specific project directory into its secure chamber, keeping the rest of your user folders invisible. Step 2. Trigger the global Docker sandbox run command string. The second step is to run the official global launch command string to automatically fetch the specialized isolation template and construct your secure micro VM. In your active typing field, input the exact command string docker sandbox run claude dot using your keyboard layout and press Enter to apply the value. Watch the screen canvas rows clear as the background system pulls the official container blocks down from the web and initializes a private engine layer flat against your view. Because it completely wraps the workspace inside a hard security boundary with its own private file memory card and separate process channels, running this command means your assistant tool can safely execute automated tests or modify files unattended without constantly prompting your screen for permission approvals. Step 3. Export your personal access key into the container environment. The third step is to drop your personal access credentials straight into the running Sandbox box so the internal software can successfully link to your profile server lane. Type out the text line export Anthropic API key equals your secret key inside the active window, substituting your real text password string inside the command row, and hit Enter to apply the value. Verify that no connection errors pop up on your monitor screen view and that the terminal smoothly opens the main Assistant interactive dashboard lines. Because the containerized environment is fully blanked out by default and cannot read your computer's regular saved user files or global shell sheets, manually passing this variable line creates a safe, isolated network bridge that allows the enclosed assistant to verify your token and function smoothly. And that's it. To set up Claude Code in a Sandbox folder, you first open your terminal window and move into your target project directory on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the command field to run the Docker Sandbox command to spin up your isolated micro VM environment on your screen canvas rows. Then, you type the environment variable command to safely export your account security key into the container layout. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.